2 is filled with grapes, bouncing round in funny shapes. Car 3 has pretzels, salty and neat, doing a jig with every beat. Next comes yogurt, cool and sweet, wiggly, jiggly in its seat. Then a car of apple slices, zooming by with snack time spices. Chugga-chugga, watch it go, with peanut butter, coffee